Hey friends, it's Holly and welcome to another video here at Living It Country. Today we're going to be doing a DIY wall makeover and we're going to be taking down our family wall mural as well as the awning that we made, and we're going to be putting from bottom all the way to the top with whitewashed wood, and it kind of has that palette wood look, which I absolutely love. So we're going to be taking you along this process. We recently installed this really cute world map, so we want it to complement that area as well. And this is our kids' playroom area, so we want it to look nice since it's off the entryway, but also kid-friendly, if you know what I mean. So we just got these beautiful frames in of updated family photos from last year, and so we're going to be putting that up instead of having the wall mural, which I'm really excited about. Now it's time to take off the wall mural, and this left no scratch, no imperfections. It was absolutely amazing. The awning did leave imperfection, obviously from the bolts being in there, but that's okay. It's going to be covered up with the wood here in a little bit. Now, throughout this video, you're going to be seeing a lot of my husband and I singing, and we do a lot of singing during our DIY projects. But do not worry, you will not have to listen to it because it is horrendous. But I wanted to share with you all what we listen to our music through, and it's this Cove speaker set. And this is not sponsored by them, but they did gift this to us. And so I just wanted to share it with you all. We do use it all the time, and it's our favorite thing to use outdoors when we're on our trampoline and when we're going through the sprinklers. And it's just been such a fun summer edition. I just wanted to share that with you all. And here's my cute kids dancing. Now here's the lumber we're gonna be using for this project, and I love the whitewashed look. If you guys remember our tiny home that we lived in, it's been, I think 4 years now. We had this look in our home, but it was a tongue and groove. It was the same look, and it just gives me all the cottage feels again. So it really made me feel more at home, and it just brought back a lot of memories. Now the brand of this is called Weber, and you can get it at Home Depot or on their website. And it's a really affordable option if you're looking for that palette wood look. And the one thing I just love about this wood, my husband would say the same thing as well if he was here, and it is that you don't have to fill in the holes at all or paint it. It's just amazing. Once it's up, it's up. There's no covering of the holes, there's no painting or touching up. So it was really honestly such a quick and easy project to do in one day, and it made us feel really accomplished by the end of the day because there was nothing that we had to wait for drying or painting or sanding or anything like that. I do highly recommend this project, and it's something that we're going to be doing actually in both of our bathrooms as accent walls in there. and I are using chalk string so we can make sure that we get into the studs when we're using our nail gun. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the base trim right here, so that way we can know where the palette is going to start. And we like to use the liquid nails to make sure it adheres really well, and then we of course are going to use our nail gun, and that way it is securely in our wall. Now on the box, it did show a lot of different ways that you could use this wood. We like it staggered just because it has more of a timeless look in my opinion. And I do think all of the other ways are just as beautiful and very beautiful, but this is the one that we preferred, and it just made us feel right at home. We did go with this whitewash look because we wanted this area to feel really, really bright, and we didn't want as many of the dark elements since that peel and stick wood world map already had a very dark look. And the awning that we had already darkened up that space, so we knew we wanted it to be bright in here. And honestly, this just flew by really fast doing this bottom portion. We did have a miter saw that was outside. I didn't get a chance to really film that area setup just because I wanted to make sure I didn't miss filming any of the install process. I know for me, I love a good time lapse, and to me, this is just so therapeutic watching. Now I would love to know in the comment section down below if you guys have been doing any DIY projects this summertime, or if you guys like to do it in the fall and winter. I know for us, we love to do it in the summertime just because it's so nice out and it's easier to predict the weather for us. Now once we get to the top portion, it's a little harder for me to help put them on the wall. So my job was to use the liquid nail and glue the back side of it, as well as use the miter saw outside and make the cuts so that my husband could just stay on the ladder. And that way it kind of went by much faster. Now here's the final little touches with this wall, but make sure you guys keep watching. You guys are gonna wanna see how the photos look on this wall. And we also got these beautiful battery powered lights for above our photos, and they're really cute, and you can get them off of Amazon. I will try to link them down below for you guys if they're still available. Now here are the lights we got. I love that they are battery powered. They had a leveler on the back, and they've got a great control. All three of them hooked up to one, and this is our final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this wall makeover. I will try to link everything in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.